Here two conditions are there. One is f of x greater than f of c. One condition is f of x less than f of c. What is the given function f of x? Okay, when you are find outing factors, that is comparing the less than and greater than or less than or equal to greater than or equal in these two conditions. Okay, so equal, that is one condition is maximum, one condition is minimum. So now here in this x-axis, in this condition, y-axis, so where in this x-axis f of c are equal, that is called by maxima and minima. That is called by maxima and minima. So now here in this condition f of x, this is x star, this is y dash. So now here in this cases x dash 0 y dash, where in this point, where is in this point, okay, increasing and decreasing, increasing and decreasing, that is called by maximum and minimum values. So here, for example, see now one equation is given. So what is the equations are here? 1 minute, Amma. See one problem. First one, exercise 6.1. First main, f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3. 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3. So here for all the x belongs to R nana, means any real numbers, Now here what is the condition, sir? F of x greater than or equal to 0. Already you know condition. So in this condition 2x minus 1 whole square greater than or equal to 0. Both sides you can add plus 3. 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3 greater than or equal to plus 3. Greater than or equal to plus 3. Here minimum f of x value is minimum f of x value is 3. Where is the constant value? Maximum value is constant. Okay. So 1 second. See, one more problem also is there. Second problem. F of x is equal 9x square plus 12x plus 3. Here also, Nana, you have to find out factors. Say already here directly is given factors. So x square plus 12 by 9 x plus 3 by 9. So 9 I am taking common outside. So here what you can write, sir? X square, this a square plus b square plus 2ab, that format you can write. So here what you can write, sir? 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. Means 2 into 2 by 3 I will write. 2a plus 3 by 9. Unmute yourself now. Who's the one? Okay. So a square 2ab.
Sir,
plus
second step, why we are dividing by 9, sir?
here you are taking common 9 now outside. In this
Yes, sir.
outside of the bracket. So that's why 9 into x square means 9x square plus 12 by 9 only, no? Plus 3 by 9.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Unmute yourself now, someone is. Okay. So now here 9 x square 2 into 2ab plus what I will do, sir? 2 by
Sir,
3
it is 2, sir.
whole square minus 2 by 3 whole square plus 3 by 9 and one term I am adding, one term I am subtracting. So now here a square 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole square formula can be. Okay. So now here
Sir,
9 into x plus 2 by 3 whole square plus 3 by 9 minus 4 by 9. 3 by 9, 2 into 2, 2 square. 4, 3 into 3, 9, minus 1 by 9. Okay. So finally, 9 into x plus 2 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 9.
Sir, question is wrong, sir.
Textbook number 6.5, second problem.
sir, it is 9x square plus 12x plus 2, sir.
9x square plus 12x nana
12x
plus 2.
2, sir.
Here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Same only no concept. Some textbooks they will give 3 nana, some textbooks they will give 2. Old version 3 is given.
It's completed, sir.
Okay.
So,
in second main also is asking find the maximum and the minimum values same on unit circle. So f of x is equal mod of x plus 2 minus 1 mod of x plus 2 minus 1. So here f of x is equal mod of x plus 2 for all x belongs to R. Every problem same formula. So when you got f of x greater than or equal to 0. So now here only mod of the x values x plus 2 greater than 0. When here other values constant of is there, you can add both sides mod here x plus 2 mod 1 minus 1. So here minimum f of x minimum f of x minimum f of x is equal minus 1. Okay. So one second copy. So one more condition also is there. If you want, you can find out x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2.
Completed.
Okay. Next concept is local. Okay. Santi is the local. Already you know local movie. In Telugu one movie is there. Santi is local. What happened to Sachin? Late joining. Okay. See my next concept. Find the local maxima and local minima to any other following functions, and also see in this textbook definition 4 and 5 nana increasing and decreasing of the graph. Okay, so here so when in this graph coming down decreasing, when graph is up increasing and decreasing and increase. So where is the increasing, that is local maxima, and where is the decreasing, that is minima. So in this, depending on graphs, they will not ask nana graphs. Okay, so here see nana, for example third main f of x is equal x square is asking find the local maxima and minima. Here what is that? First differentiation and the second differentiation. What is the first differentiation, sir? d by dx of f of x is equal d by dx of x square, means what can write as f dash of x is equal to x. Same equation. What is the first order you are completing? That equation only you have to complete it by second order also. So d by dx of f dash of x is equal d by dx of 2x. When to differentiate on the equation f double dash. So here 2 is the constant. 2 is the constant. Now here what is asking? What is asking? Find the local maxima and the local minima. See, Nana? F dash of x greater than 0 means 2 greater than 0. Yes. So that is called by local maxima and local minima. Okay. So in at a point x is equal to 0 means what you can write, sir? F of x is equal x square. F of 0 is equal 0 square. Means f dash of 0 is equal to 0. Once you can copy. Today you have exam no Nana, full chapter Nana. Continuity and differentiation.
This before chapter, sir.
Full chapter.
Okay, sir.
Completed.
Okay. See Nana, one more problem. In equation is given means okay, ma. In trigonometric equation is given means how to we can find out. Third me. Fourth one. Fourth one. F of x is equal sin x minus cos x 0 less than x less than 2 5. So here also same Sangnana, both sides differentiation. In this equation, d by dx of f of x is equal d by dx of sin x minus cos x. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . So f dash of x is equal d by dx of sin x means what you can write, sir? Cos x. D by dx of cos x means what you can write, sir? Minus sin x. So now here f dash of x is equal cos x plus sin x. Same. You have to continue for second order also. So d by dx of f dash of x is equal d by dx of cos x plus sin x. So when you differentiation on the equation in second, minus sin x plus cos x.
Cos
There
x
it
sin x.
is. Super. So f dash of x, that another point in 0 means 0 is equal minus sin x plus cos x. So cos x is equal to sin x, you can write. If you write cos x by sin x or sin x by cos x, that is your wish. So cos x by sin x is equal to 1. Cos x by sin x means what you can write, sir? Cot x, cot 1 value. What you can write, sir? Cot 1 value.
How, sir?
Cot
0.
cot pi by 4. So x is equal to pi by 4. X is equal to pi by 4. In this
F dash
x is
value is equal to 0. How that is, sir?
sorry, Nana.
F dash dash x is
Yes,
equal to
ma.
0. Yes, sir.
At a corner point, you can take let na, assuming. Why? Because we have not given any value. Okay. So that's why. See, Nana, your doubt here they will not give any x value. Amma. So you have to find out x value. So that's why let f double dash of x is equal to 0 now. So now you got it x value 5/4. Again you have to write f of 5/4. F of 5/4 means sin 5/4 minus cos 5/4. So already you know table 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. 5/4 means 45 degrees. Once you can copy. दस तक रहा है बंदी बात कर रहा है Completed ra?
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Aye. Next one, next model. You can prove that the following functions, fourth one, do not have, mean you don't have any maxima and minima values. See, here f of x is equal to what can write, sir? E power x is given. In this e power x, for R, x belongs to R. So same song here also. Both sides differentiation in this equation. D by dx of f of x is equal. So d by dx of e power x. What you can write, sir? F dash of x is equal to e power x. When you differentiation in this equation, no changes. Yes. So f dash of ex greater than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to R. For all x belongs to R. So f is no critical point. Dash of x is no critical point. Means you can't find out any x value. So that's why no maxima and no minimum value.
Sir, f dash x is ex only, no, sir?
Yes, Nana. E power x.
Yes, sir.
Dash of x also same. F of x also same only. No, no changes.
Yes, sir. F dash x we cannot write x into E, sir.
No. Completed, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Last one more model, Anna. After I give you practice time, you have to practice today exam. So last, what is the model, sir? To main. First one, f of x is equal x cube is given, Anna. X belongs to minus 2 comma plus 2 point is given. So what is asking, sir? Find the absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value of the following functions given in these intervals. Interval is given, Anna. So now here for R, x belongs to R, both sides differentiation, Anna. D by dx of f of x is equal d by dx of x cube. Means here what you can write, sir? F dash of x is equal 3x square, you can write. So now here in this value, let corner point f dash of x is equal to 0, means x value can find out. So 3x square is equal to 0. X square is equal to 0 means it's also 0 only, plus or minus. See, in this x belongs to minus 2 comma plus 2 means what? 0 belongs to minus 2 comma plus 2 only, no? In middle. Yes. So 0, 1,
Sir,
2,
x value may be 1 also, no, sir.
minus 2. Amma,
X value may be 1 also, no, sir.
Aura,
Because 1 is also between minus 2 and 2.
see, Nana, f dash of x is equal to 0. Means 3 into both sides divided by 3. So x square is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 only, no? So one factor is not coming, no? If you factor is coming means okay, possible. But factors are not coming. So that's right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now here you got it that value. Okay. So in these 3 points, 0, minus 2, plus 2 also you can substitute here. X is equal to 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 cube. F of 2 is equal to 8. X is equal to minus 2. F of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 whole cube. Minus 8. X is equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to 0. Maximum value, minimum value. Once you can copy, Nana. Copy and you can do practice, Amma. 10 minutes is there. Full chapter today. Okay. So once you can revise, tomorrow I will teach 6th problem onwards. Completed, right?